This is how I made this texture on wood using my engraving machine. So I wanted to give some texture to a wooden box. Firstly, I colored the box black with the Sharpie. Any color and any other method will do. I'm gonna speed this away because nobody wants to see me color for a full 5 minutes. I pushed everything off my machine, cleaned it out, and took my base plate off. The bottom is off because the box is too high, and that way I used some spacers too. I also used the white paper beneath because the color is black and I want to see it in the image. I changed the mode to open plane because we're using an open plane. Auto measured the distance to the box. Now we're going to use the insert function to add a box or any other shape to fill the place we want to engrave. That's the place we're gonna apply the texture to. I want it all over the box. Don't forget to put it on engrave. Usually we want the power to be less than the predefined power and the speed to be more because we don't want to make a big impact on the object. In the finished piece, you will see how much it damaged the object because it's low quality. When framing the object, we'll see the shape is bigger than the object, and that's okay. If you want to see why, click on this tutorial. Let's start the print and hyperlap through it. And we are done. This was the bottom of the box, and the upper part of the box I did the same thing but without a specific shape to make it a bit more visible and to leave it with the color black. I think it looks just right. If you want to see how I inverted the image to not engrave the specific part, click on this tutorial. I hope this video helps you, and if you have any other questions, leave them in the comments.